Hey guys, it's your girl Ayesha Shasha, and today I'm going to be showing you how I made this CARDCAPTOR Sakura tarot card necklace. Now I'm going to be using stuff from the Sophie and Toffee Elves box for January, which of course was tarot card themed, but I'm also using a couple of things from last year's December blowout box as well, so I will let you know when I do so. So this was my first time using this tarot card mold, and I think that I might do it differently the next time that I do it. So what I did here is I put in some clear resin. I tried to get out as many bubbles as I could because there's quite a few little indentations in there, so plenty of space for little bubbles to occur. And then I put in the holographic film that I cut out. Make sure as well that you do put it in face down so that you get the lovely golden side coming up when you take your piece out of the mold. But that does again create some bubbles because you are of course trapping air in there. So I feel that a way to eliminate that would have been to have just put in a layer of clear resin, cure that, and then put in the holographic film as a separate layer. But who knows, when I try that again, then you guys will know whether or not it was the best way. So what I did now was I used some pigments. This is actually from the Disney box from last year. So I'm using 3 different boxes in this video. I'm using the white and the Nacarat pigment from that, and just mixing together a nice sort of very soft peachy colour. And this is going to be my background for the gold holographic film. Even though there were a few little air bubbles there, doming tends to get rid of the majority, if not all, of your mistakes. So definitely do go ahead and give it a quick dome on the front side, of course to make it nice and shiny, but also to just correct any mistakes. I then added in one tiny little piece of Sakura confetti in the middle because I thought it would just tie in really nicely with the theme. And what I'm using here is some no wipe UV top coat. This came in the blowout box and I really do like this one. It doesn't dry tacky at all. If you dry it for about 2 to 3 minutes, it's brilliant. I then added in a little eye pin into the top there, and I'm just sealing it in with some resin and some glitter. Can we just have a moment, please? This is the glitter that we got in the blowout box, and it was my first time opening it up. I'd actually forgotten how gorgeous that it was. It is stunning, absolutely stunning. Now there's actually no need for me to cover the whole thing here with glitter because you're only going to be seeing it around the border, but I just thought that my eyes needed to see how it would look if it was all glittery, and ooh child, that is gorgeous. So now I'm taking this very cute little sticker and I'm applying it to the little card. I actually did peel back the sticker and put some of this no wipe top coat underneath it just to make sure it was properly secure. And then I domed that just to give it a nice glossy finish. And there you have it. It's very simple, very easy to do, and really effective. I added on a couple of little embellishments on the sides as well, just to give it that extra magical touch. This is actually going to be a present for my lovely friend Lucy, who I know is watching this video. So girl, I hope that you have enjoyed this. If you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss the next one. Take care, my darlings, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.